In this video, I will be showing you how to create a mobile app with Grok AI. Let's get started. First, I go to Google and search for Grok. I see the main Grok website option right at the top and click on it. The page opens up to the main dashboard interface. I click into the main search prompt area that asks what I want to know. Here, I type out a comprehensive prompt asking Grok to design a modern web application dashboard for a project management platform called TaskFlow. Once the prompt is set up, I hit the arrow key button to send the prompt over. Grok begins working on generating the request. After a few moments, the results load, showing the generated mockups. I can scroll through the mockups for the TaskFlow application to see how they look. Now, I look down at the suggested follow-up actions below the generated images. I decide to click the first button option, which instructs Grok to generate Tailwind CSS code for this specific design interface. Grok instantly starts processing the new request. In just a couple of seconds, it opens up a code viewer box and generates a clean block of HTML and Tailwind CSS formatting. I can scroll through this complete code window to see all the styling tags, design structure, sidebar layout parameters, and individual dashboard component configurations that bring the design mockups to life. After reviewing the code, I scroll back up slightly to the interactive options panel just above the code block. I click on the small preview option button. This brings up an interactive split-screen window where I can preview the actual styled web dashboard directly inside Grok. The dashboard renders instantly, displaying a full desktop view of the TaskFlow project management dashboard with the accurate clean blue and dark gray themes, sidebar options, and metric stats we requested. I click on the Wide, Mobile, and Source tabs located at the top to toggle between responsive layouts and check how the dashboard scales down onto smaller screens. Toggling back to the wide mode shows the main project view, and I can scroll through the dynamic dashboard setup, viewing the daily breakdown metrics, project tracking boxes, team performance data charts, and recent activity timelines. I can easily swap back to the mobile responsive preview mode to verify that the text formatting and layouts adapt cleanly into an app view. It looks great across both interfaces. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.